that is the noise that peacocks make. Never knew that until I came here. Oh, they did say that it's mating season, so that's why possibly the male has been following me around and why they make so much noise. He just opened up all of his plumes not too long ago and was showing out, so when a female walked by. So that's what the males do in order to get the female's attention. Oh, there we go. There he goes. Showing all of his stuff. Like, look at me, I'm hot stuff. Look at me. Uh-oh. That cat almost caught a bad one. Look at how beautiful. Beautiful. So that's what the phrase, when a guy is trying to show off for a female, when people say that they're peacocking, that's what it means. Like I said, it is mating season for them, and only the males have the large plumes and are able to put on such a display. And they do it typically to attract females.